Hello! Today quite short video. I just want to throw to you one step we've done on our live streams, and I think it's really nice step, so just take it and embrace it and do whatever you wish with it. It's a mixture of Gerard Butler's routines and some inspiration taken from whatever. So we will do shuffles. Yeah, we'll do it with ball of our feet. So shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step. This is our base. Shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step. And we will put some jumps between them. Just watch. Shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step, and jump. And the next part, shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step, jump. So the whole thing looks like this. Shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step, jump, shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step, jump. That's the first part. The second part is very easy because you're doing 2 Connemara steps. On the second Connemara, just stay on the ground and just do jump out, jump in, and step, step. So it sounds like Connemara step, Connemara step, jump, jump, and step, step. I'll do it one more time. As you see, the end of the step has a lot of potential and it's quite empty, so you can put many different things in it if you wish. The whole routine looks like 5 and 6 and 7 and shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step, jump, shuffle step, shuffle step, shuffle step, jump, jump, Connemara, Connemara, hop, hop. I'll do it a little bit faster. 5 and 6 and 7 and jump, 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 and jump. Connemara, Connemara. Okay, so sometimes I do it with right leg, sometimes with my left leg, so it's not so important which leg are you using, and you can always switch them, so just be flexible with this step. Have fun and see you next time.